Normally, creating professional product photos or videos requires a camera, lighting, and a full setup. The problem is not everyone has the time or budget for all of that, but now you can create product photos and videos like big brands using just one photo. Let me show you something crazy. So guys, invideo just launched a brand new AI tool called Advertising Studio. And this is not just another AI image generator. This is actually an AI agent that acts like a creative director, an art director, and even handles the execution for you. You don't need to think about complex prompts. You just upload your product photo, choose what kind of output you want, give it a simple brief, and it does everything automatically. And the craziest part, all of these presets are currently free to try right now. Let me show you how it works. You start by going to invideo.io. I'll put the link in the description. Then just log in. You can even use your Google account to make it faster. Once you're inside, scroll down to the Agents and Models section and click on Advertising Studio. And right there, you'll see all the presets you can choose from depending on what you want to create. Let's try a few of them. First, let's try the Amazon one. This one is probably the most powerful feature, the Amazon listing preset. From just one product photo, it can generate multiple assets at once like A+ content, primary images, and secondary images. To start, just select the Amazon A+ content preset and create a new project. Then upload your product photo and you can describe how you want the final result to look. And if you're not sure what to write, you can simply reselect the preset and it will automatically generate the brief for you, which makes everything much easier. After that, just hit generate and let the AI do its thing. And again, since this is still free, you can experiment as much as you want, and boom, your A+ content is ready. Now, using the same product photo, you can switch the preset to Amazon primary image and then switch again to Amazon secondary image. So here's the result. This is the primary image, this is the secondary image, and this is the A+ content. Each one has a completely different style, layout, and purpose. And everything is already optimized for Amazon standards. Normally, this would require a full production team, but now it's all done by one AI. And it doesn't stop there. You can even create a 360-degree product video from your images. You just choose the 360-degree product video preset, then upload your product photos from different angles. In my case, I'm only using 2 photos, one from the front and one from the side. After that, simply generate and wait a few moments. And just like that, your 360 video is done. It looks way more professional and premium, like something you'd see on a real e-commerce store. Now, let's say you need product photos for a catalog. You can just switch to the catalog photography preset, upload your product image, and generate it right away. And here's the before and after. Your product is now placed in a realistic environment that looks like a professional photo shoot. No studio needed. Want something more cinematic? You can select the hero shot preset, upload your product image like someone holding the product, then adjust the aspect ratio and video duration before generating it. And now your product looks like it's part of a high-end commercial. Next, let's try the thematic photography option. And this is one of my favorites. You can generate multiple styles at once for A/B testing. Just pick the thematic photography preset, upload your product, choose the aspect ratio, and generate. And now you have multiple different styles for the same product, so you can test which one performs better. And there are still many more presets available like mockups, brand mood boards, and more. And again, all of these are currently free to try, so definitely check the link in the description if you want to test it yourself. This tool honestly changes the way we create product content. What used to take a full team, a full setup, and a lot of time now can be done with just one photo and one AI. You can try Advertising Studio completely free right now on invideo. And if you're serious about scaling your content production, they also have paid plans with access to 80+ AI models and higher creative limits. So yeah, if you've ever wanted to create product content that actually looks professional without spending a ton of money, this might be the easiest way to start. Try it yourself and see how far you can push it.